Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Blay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Thmu ka India ban hiarthma ki arp saula ne life ndu kantai ka Pakistan ong U Myntri ka Pakistan. Ka jingya kan ad apdeng ke India bat ka Pakistan kala nang jur shu hadian ba we officer jong ka Pakistan ulakam ha ka step kasni balang ba udon ni ki jingtip bala ban ngen ba ka New Delhi kan pelong ya ka jingya ki sipai persya ya ka Islamabad hapo ki arsngi banwan. Kaniga jingkeno kalawan hakapor babaro artli ki ri Amerika par China ki kentu bante lakam. Ka Pakistan ka doni ki jingtip ki bala ban ngej bagi India ka Thmu ban pelongi ka jing thambor bat hiarthma persha ya ka Pakistan hakini ki arpsaw la ne life ndriu kenta banwan. Ong Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting jong ka Pakistan u Atul la tarar ha ka jing tho kabab her ha kasiteng miet ha ex sham la batai bnya ek sakhi sabut baka Pakistan kala pindon kam ban pinpau ya kani ka jingkenno kani ka jingkran jung utarar ka wantang sitayo hadin bakile no kala penyap iki arthn ringut kinong jungo kai perthei ha kasnong lom jong ka Pahalgam ha Kashmir ka bala sunshara ka India ka jingki wen ka bala penmi ya ka jingbitar ka bajur ka India kala keno baka Pakistan ka don kti ha ka ka kam thambor ka jingkeno ka baka Islamabad ka kentat ka Pakistan kala tirwa ban pelong ya ka jing token ka bapdeng halor ka ka jingjia.
Pakistan has credible intelligence that India intends carrying out military action against Pakistan in the next 24 to 36 hours on the pretext of baseless and concocted allegations of involvement in the Pahalgam incident. Indian self-assumed hubristic role of judge, jury, and executioner in the region is reckless and vehemently rejected. Pakistan has been the victim of terrorism itself and truly understands the pain of this scourge. We have always condemned terrorism in all its forms and manifestations anywhere in the world. Being a responsible state, Pakistan open-heartedly offered a credible, transparent, and independent investigation by a neutral commission of experts to ascertain the truth. Unfortunately, rather than pursuing the path of reason, India has apparently decided to tread the dangerous path of irrationality and confrontation, which will have catastrophic consequences for the complete region and beyond. Evasion of credible investigation is in itself sufficient evidence exposing India's real motives. Consciously making strategic decisions hostage to public sentiments, purposefully trumped up for securing political objectives, is unfortunate and deplorable. Pakistan reiterates that any such military adventurism by India would be responded to assuredly and decisively. The international community must remain alive to the reality that the onus of escalatory spiral and its ensuing consequences shall squarely lie with India. The nation reiterates its resolve to defend the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Pakistan at all costs. Pakistan Zindabad.